I'm gonna show you few ways today in order for you to get some money online. There's plenty of money around. You just have to search for it. And of course, you have to do a little bit of a work, but it's not that kind of a hard work that you imagine. This is simple work. So hit that subscribe and let's go and do it. First website that I want to show you today, it is called swagbucks.com. A lot of money is on Swagbucks, and you can see that on Trustpilot, Swagbucks has 29,000 reviews, and they've got 4.3 out of 5. And trust me, guys, people really enjoy this. People really like that because they get some nice money. Of course, you won't get thousands of dollars every single month, but it is some nice money, and you can get nice paycheck each month. So how does this work exactly? So you will learn everything on this page. You can see that you will have to join Swagbucks, and they will reward our members with free gift cards and cash for the everyday things they already do online. So you can just shop, you can watch entertaining videos, you can play games, you can search the web, answer surveys, and a lot of other stuff. Okay, it is probably the most easiest way because it is the regular stuff that we do online. Even now, we watch videos, we just go search the web, we shop, and you can get free gift cards, you can get PayPal money, you can get whatever you want. And you can see in here, guys, online cashback, so you can get some cash back. If you are a shopper online, if you do that regularly, well, this can save you a lot of money, guys. This is pretty cool. Just look at this. You can save on groceries if you want. And in time of inflation, saving on groceries is a really important thing, right? You can save on gas and groceries, on whatever you want, and you can get the best deal on prescriptions. Now, this you don't. Well, I hope that you don't need this, so let's not talk about that. But of course, you can get these gift cards deals, you can get some money for eating out, and really good thing, guys. So you can see that you can share your opinion and get free gift cards. You can get these points when you answer fun surveys and polls. Online surveys are really good here, really good. You have some daily polls as well, and you can do this on your phone as well. You can see that there are some daily live trivia games you can play solo or with your friends. You basically have a lot of things to do on Swagbucks, guys, and just take a look at this. You can even search the web, okay? So they're gonna give you the topic, and then you're just gonna go and you can do a research, okay? So they give you a topic like, I don't know, ventilator, and then you just go and search for it and make a little bit of a research, and then you just write down what have you saw, okay? That's how it works. So they just give you the topic, I don't know, keyboards, and then you just go and search for it on Yahoo powered search engine. That's it. Of course, some of you guys like to play games, so you can do that on Swagbucks as well. You can just play some games and get some money, and of course, mobile app is there. As I've told you, you can do this on your phone, so you don't have to stick to your laptop or desktop device. This is available on your phones, so it is more handy. Now, you have a guide here, which is like do's and don'ts of Swagbucks, so you can just do a research. Just read this so you don't run into any trouble, okay? So, for example, if you answer surveys, always provide honest answers and read all questions carefully before answering, okay? And for example, survey don'ts, don't speed through surveys. This factors into disqualifications. So just take care, guys. Play by the rules and you can get some money. Also, hit our subscribe button if you want to get more videos like this one is. Thank you. I forgot to tell you guys, Swagbucks and all of these other websites that I'm going to show you, they work all around the world. So it doesn't matter your location, it doesn't matter. You can get a lot of money, and this website is a bit different. It is called TimeBucks. That was Swagbucks, but this is TimeBucks. And just take a look at this. You can post on Facebook and you can get money for that. How about that, guys? Then you can view funny slideshows, you can play games, you can install apps, you can complete micro tasks, and of course, you can answer those surveys. But there is one really good thing on this website. So make yourself an account. I'm gonna log into mine so I can show you something really interesting. When you get inside of this website? First of all, what you can see is that you have a referral link. Now, you can choose to opt with this. You can choose to involve yourself into this, and you will get a 15% commission on the lifetime earnings of anyone you refer to Timebooks, and you will get 10% commission on their advertising deposits. I'm going to talk about that, but this is a really cool thing. If you have any friends around you or maybe family members who want to get some money online as well, send them this link. And when you send them this link and they register on this website using your referral link, you're going to get 15% commission on whatever they earn on the website. Now, that is really cool because if you get a lot of people to do that, you can get some money for free during a month and you won't actually have to do nothing, okay? This is just some passive income for yourself. If you want to get yourself involved with that, you can do it. You can just share this link on social media as well, or you can share this link on Facebook. I'm going to talk about that as well. But something interesting that I wanted to show you guys is that when you go on these earning options and you do all of these offers, which are listed in here, and you have a lot of these offers, you are automatically eligible to compete on these sweepstakes, okay? Just take a look at this. Winners of these sweepstakes are drawn at 12 a.m. Friday each week. And this means that if you are the most active user during that week, you have a chance of getting $250, okay? That's a nice prize, and you get that only for being active. You already get the money from these offers, whichever they are, and you have a chance to get $250 if you are the first place. Of course, you get $50 if you are second place. Third place gets you $30, and so on, okay? You get a lot of money just for being active because Timebooks is rewarding your activity on the website. That's why they're so nice. You can, of course, find a lot of great reviews on Trustpilot about Timebooks. They're really, really good. Timebooks is one of the best surveyed sites. A lot of people love it. This site is legit, as you can see, and trust me, I never had any issues, any problems with Timebooks. If you want to get the money out, just click on settings and then just click on payment method, and then you can just choose the payment method that you want. So for example, Payeer, RTM, Skrill, Bitcoin, even you can get crypto if you want. So whatever you want, you can just get it here. If you want to get crypto, of course, you're gonna need yourself a wallet, and maybe you can use this Coinomi wallet. It is a really good one. As you can see, Coinomi is already trusted by millions of users, and that way you can get yourself some crypto. What I suggest, guys, is that you combine all of these websites and then just invest your time in it, okay? The more time you invest, the more money you can get for yourself, and it's free money. You can get it from your home. You can do this on your phone. So what to expect other than that, okay? Just take action, and I'll catch you guys later.